How do you describe the given pictures? What mathematical concept or concepts can you relate from it? At the end of this video lesson, we can define angles, classify angles, and measure angles. How do you define angles? Angle is formed by two rays intersecting at a point called the vertex of the angle. The two rays are called the sides of the angle. The amount of the opening of the two sides determines the measure of the angle. The unit of measure is degrees. How do you classify angles? Angles can be acute, right, obtuse, and straight. Acute angle is an angle whose measure is greater than 0 but less than 90 degrees. Right angle is an angle whose measure is exactly 90 degrees. Obtuse angle is an angle whose measure is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Straight angle is an angle whose measure is exactly 180 degrees. Let's try. Classify the following angles. The given angle is an obtuse angle because 156 degrees is greater than 90 but less than 180 degrees. Next, this is a right angle since the measure is exactly 90 degrees. The next angle is this angle is acute since the measure is greater than 0 but less than 90 degrees. Next is this angle is straight since the measure is exactly 180 degrees. Next angle is this is an acute angle since the measure is greater than 0 but less than 90 degrees. How do you measure angles? The instrument used to measure the angle is a protractor. The protractor has inner and outer scales. The outer scale is read in a clockwise direction, while the inner scale is read in a counterclockwise direction. Note that protractor feature may vary according to its design. How do you measure angles using a protractor? To measure angles using a protractor, align the origin of the protractor to the vertex of the angle. Also align the baseline of the protractor to the side of the angle. Then, you can now measure the angle by just looking at the scales. To do it, read from 0, count the degree lines carefully up to the other side of the angle that crosses the number scale.